Did you know that one of hockey's most passionate fan bases lost their team, not because they stopped caring, but because of money they couldn't control? The Quebec Nordiques had fans who packed every single game in Quebec City. They cheered in French and made visiting teams scared to play there. These weren't fair-weather fans. They loved their team no matter what. But in 1995, something heartbreaking happened. The Canadian dollar got really weak compared to American money. This meant Quebec couldn't pay their star players like Joe Sakic and Peter Forsberg anymore. American teams had way more money to spend, so the Nordiques had to move to Colorado and become the Avalanche. Here's the crazy part. They won the Stanley Cup in their very first season there. Same players, same team that Quebec built, but couldn't afford to keep. Quebec City lost their beloved team, even though their fans were more passionate than many American cities that got to keep theirs. It showed how unfair money problems could destroy decades of hockey history overnight.